can't wait to get this one out on the floor and have a play. Hi guys, Brett here from Hearns Hobbies, and today I'd like to take a look and do a bit of an unboxing and a power up of Traxxas' latest offering. This is the 35 Hot Rod. So this is based on the Fortec chassis. It's got a longer wheelbase. They've given it really cool cruiser and a hot rod kind of styling. Super detailed body, four-wheel drive running gear. It's got faux disc brakes and stuff like that to really add the detailed touches. Oil-filled dampers. Yeah, and it's this model here is brushed. It is in fact brushless ready, which means it'll come with another pinion gear. So if you're really ready for some high-speed runs, this could be your truck. All right, let's crack it open and have a look. Okay, so beautiful box work as always by the people over at Traxxas. Okay, I'm going to go ahead, pull this one out. Beautifully wrapped and detailed. Get the truck out. What have we got next? Got the transmitter in here. The TQI transmitter. And where have I got the instructions in the box as well? Okay, so I'll go ahead and pop this box to the side and let's have a look at the good bit. Let's have a look at the truck. Okay, so I'm going to get this plastic off here, get this stuff out of the way so you can have a look. Alright, and have a look at the beautiful detailing on that. It is absolutely lovely. We've got pinstriping, we've got faux timber decking on the back, super cool hot rod style wheels. They feel like a fairly hard compound rubber, which would make for entertaining driving. We've got chrome plated grille, super detailed headlights and mirrors. That is a great looking RC car. Okay, now there's only body clips on the back of this one, and it sort of slides into the front like Traxxas have been doing lately. Let's get the body off and have a look under the hood. Okay, there's two colors available. This is the silver one. Go ahead, slide that off, and there's our lighting kit. Got a bit of reinforcements, quality wiring, all held in really nice. Simple little JST plug. That is beautiful out of the box. We've got our very familiar Titan 12-turn 550 motor in here. Looks quite small in the long wheelbase chassis. Got a long wheelbase, I'd like to say about 330, 350 mil. Got plastic upper camber links and arms. We've got a nice servo saver here. We've got these tiny little oil-filled shocks, which should be really good for the driving performance. The very typical Fortec chassis layout, very synonymous with Traxxas' on-road range. Alright, so that is the chassis. We can see in here we've got our disc brakes hiding behind the wheels. Really nice touches there by Traxxas. Really cool for anybody who loves their hot rodding. Okay, in here we've got our instructions obviously. I won't go as far as opening this up. We can see here we've got our little Traxxas toolkit, spare body clips, got some Allen keys, a box wrench there so you can get your wheels off and do some servicing. And we've got another pinion there. Probably for that, if you want to go ahead and put your brushless motor in there. Beautiful. We'll put that to the side. Again, got a very familiar TQ transmitter system, 2.4 gig. Very familiar to all those in the entry-level range for Traxxas. Feels really nice actually. It's only got the one dial on there for your steering trim, and everything else is done through the set button. But let's get some batteries in there and get this bad boy powered up. Okay, 4 AA's will pop straight in. Just like this. We'll put the power it up. Got our green light on our transmitter. Looking good. I'll go ahead here. Got our typical Traxxas connector, of course. Slide this out. So we've got the hinge battery style where we can run a 26mm thickness battery or the smaller 23mm. Just putting a 2S in this. Got our 9 steps battery going in this just to test this one out. And clip that one in. Really cool. I'll go ahead and plug that in like so. I'll give that a quick test, ensure in fact that it is working before I go any further and put the body on. Hold it down for a second. Really good steering response out of this actually. Beautiful, nice, smooth transmission. Okay, go ahead, turn the car off. Let's get this body on. A really cool feature out of this car is the factory fitted LED lights. I'm going to go ahead here. Simple as putting the body to the side. This simple plug here will go in. Will go on, then I'll slide the body in. Leaves 2 body clips to go onto the back of the car. And then I'll be able to turn it on and have a look at the really cool detail and trouble that Traxxas have gone to make this look awesome. Okay, pop the side of this up a little bit, find the power switch for the speed controller. There we go. Have a look at that. That is super bright. A really nice touch to give it headlights and tail lights. We can see there, just holding up to the camera. That is such a cool factory fitted feature and really adds to the look and the style of the car. That is awesome. I can't wait to get this one out on the floor and have a play. Okay guys, I'm Brett from Hearns Hobbies and this has been the Traxxas Hot Rod 35 truck. Thanks for watching.